And news coming in from Kerala. This is the Met Department, in fact, which has warned of heavy rain in many parts of the Kerala today and tomorrow. Red alert being issued in Idukki, Malappuram and Wayanad districts. Orange alert in Kozhikode, Kannur and Kasaragod districts as well. As clouds are formed in hilly areas, heavy rain is expected in such places. Meanwhile, a heavy downpour in Kasaragod, Kannur district has already led to rivers overflowing as well, and 120 families have been relocated to camps. Those, of course, are the details coming in. Meanwhile, the death toll in Idukki landslide has now gone up to 27. Vivek joining us for more details. Vivek, death toll in the Idukki landslide incident has gone up to 27 now. What more can you tell us?
Exactly, very shocking, details coming from, in Rajamala, here. 27 is the total death toll as of now, and 40 more bodies are feared to be trapped over here. What we understand is that the rescue operation have begun today morning at 6 o'clock, and the extremely heavy rainfall is basically hampering the rescue operation at this point of time. The NDRF, the police, the locals, all the government departments are working, around the clock to ensure that each and every person who's trapped out there are being brought out. This is a very, very difficult situation. Remember, there is heavy rainfall already there, and the terrain is such that it is very difficult for rescue operations to happen over here. And also, we know the place, this particular area called Rajamala is located very far from, Idukki, and that is the main challenge over here. So the departments are doing all possible things to ensure that all those people who are trapped are being brought out.
All right, Vivek, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. Well, that's as far as Kerala is concerned, also dealing with heavy rainfall, landslide incidents as well. 27 people have lost their lives. Rescue operations continuing at the landslide site.